guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Alrighty, so for this video we're going to be using my Almond Extra Short Soft Gel Full Cover Nail Tips. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and as always I'll make sure to have the link down below. But all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out, making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. If you have problems shaping like I do, I definitely recommend giving these a try. They just make the whole process of applying nails, one, much faster, and it also helps eliminate the amount of dust that you accrue from doing so much shaping and filing. Alrighty, so we're going to be using Polygel in this video. I'm going in with this Polygel by Model 1s. I got this in a kit. It came with like a set of maybe 4 or 5 different Polygels, so I'll be sure to leave the link for it down below. But all I'm doing is going in now and applying that to my soft gel full nail cover. And the trick with this is you just want to make sure that your cuticle area has less Polygel than the rest of your nails. And after you apply, you just want to make sure you do your touch-ups before curing. So this method is very easy and very beginner friendly. As you can see here, after applying, I'm just going in with my brush and swiping the sides, making sure that any excess Polygel is removed before curing. And then I'm also going to flip my hand upside down and go in and flatten the underneath of my nails as well. You just want to make sure you eliminate that bulk before curing. So this method is super easy. I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me apply my nails. Alright, so next up we're going to take a lint-free wipe and wipe down the nails before we begin our design. I'm going in with a lint-free wipe that I purchased from Shein, and I just applied some alcohol on this. And then, as I said before, these soft gel full nail covers do all the shaping for you. So I'm going in with the 80/80 grit file and just doing some small touch-ups. All right, I'm going to dust off all of that dust. At this point, you could also go and wash your hands if you prefer as well. So this nail palette I purchased from Shein. It just makes, doing nail art designs very simple and easy. I'm going in with this white nail polish by MAKARRT, and I'm just going to let you guys watch me do my nail design. But for my nail designs, I use this palette from Shein, this white nail polish from MAKARRT. I also use a glitter polish from Beetles, and just some line nail art brushes and dotter tools. The links to everything will be down below in the description. You can purchase almost anything off of Amazon. But this design was super easy. I'll come back and show you guys the 5D stickers that I purchased shortly. All right, so I messed up here. I applied my top coat, but you want to apply your stickers and then apply your top coat. Luckily, the stickers that I purchased were super sticky. And actually, it really depends. Like, some people do prefer to do top coat and then stickers, and then some people prefer vice versa. I guess it depends on the stickiness of your stickers. These are 5D stickers, so you kind of want the 3D design to bulk up. So I guess I didn't do it backwards, but it's just your preference. But I went in and cured, and then I applied the stickers on that ring finger. But it just depends on what type of stickers you have, and as I said before, it just depends on the stickiness. But these 5D nail art stickers I purchased from Amazon. I'll have the link down below. They are very, very sticky. I also applied some snowflakes on my toenails as well. And they've been there for a week now and have not budged. And you know, I'm harder on my feet than I am on my nails. But yeah, I'm just going in and applying those stickers. Sorry, y'all, if you hear this, this is my dog. He's attacking me. Archie, get off of me. Alrighty, so as you can see, I did forget to go in with my cuticle oil, but I do recommend going in with a cuticle oil after you finish your nails. But here is the final design. I wanted to do more Christmas and, you know, holiday, oops, sorry, not Christmas, holiday themed nails, Winter Wonderland themed nails, but I didn't really have the chance to. So this is going to be the only set probably that I do that's like holiday themed. I hope everyone enjoys their holidays and everyone stays safe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!